Okay, this is the big snowstorm in March of 2017. They don't want to be out, but we are going to show you the path we made for these boys in this white condition of our backyard. As you could see, I made one this way. Here's the woods in the back. Here comes Cody, and Toby's running back home because he does not like it. Okay, Cody, run with Mommy. Ready? Come on. Follow Mama. Hi. Okay, ready to go home? That's about all I can get because they are not having it. And it is coming down crazy. Here's the side. Toby is trying to get in. I just keep clearing this area so we can walk out, make the two paths off of here. And there's the P. And the woods are gorgeous. And this is the pine tree you just saw out of my kitchen window.